Good morning and welcome to Ellon Academy's virtual assembly on Tuesday the 18th of May 2021. So first of all, we'd like to say a huge congratulations to our girls in 6th year who have received a Certificate of Achievement from Young Enterprise as part of the Young Enterprise Scotland community programme, and they've developed employability skills and enterprise skills through developing their own business called Flames and Frames. And even despite the pandemic, the girls have done very well to keep their business afloat, and also they've made it through to the national finals. So huge congratulations and lots of luck to you all from us at Ellon Academy. Also, we would like to recognise Luca in S5 and his achievements in terms of volunteering as part of the local election campaign over the past few weeks. Luca does so much for his community, and you'll just have to see some of the paintings beside his house near the Toll of Burness that Luca has done as well. So well done to you, Luca, and you make us all very proud indeed. Can I urge that we need to still be very cautious in terms of coronavirus? There are new strains developing. The situation in the local authority of Moray, which is, just on the borders of the north borders of Aberdeenshire, but coronavirus knows no borders, and it could just as well be ourselves experiencing a spike in coronavirus cases. So we have to continue to be cautious. We have to continue to keep washing our hands and maintaining good hand hygiene, using our sanitizer, using our face coverings, and just being very careful. Yes, we are allowed to hug from yesterday. We are allowed to do some different things in terms of meeting up socially, but we can't be too complacent. As the vaccine rolls out, it becomes more and more safe, and therefore, as you'll see, the restrictions being relaxed. But as a school, we really want to keep our doors open, particularly just now when we are in week 4 of an assessment block, and we want to keep that progress going and that consistency going for our young people. So just a reflection on last week's quote of the week, and it's really important for a number of reasons. That just doesn't matter what age you are, what kind of person you are, what your religious background is, what your ethnicity is, what your sexuality is. It's important that we respect each and every one of us within our school and within our community. And respect starts with respecting yourself and being the person that you know you should be, and taking care of yourself and those around you too. And that brings in respect for your family. However you behave around the school and in the community could be a reflection on your family, and often that reflection is not fair because our young people have been brought up well with good manners and good values, and all young people need to demonstrate that when they're in school and when they're out and about in the community. Sometimes we get complaints from the community about our young people walking in front of cars, dangerous cycling, dropping litter, etc. And it's a shame that sometimes members of the community tag all young people as the same, and they're not. Sometimes one or two young people let us down with their behaviour in the community, but the vast majority of you, our young people, are absolutely wonderful young people and have your role models to everyone round about you. And it's really good when we have messages from the community that support our young people and comment on how wonderful they have been out and about. But respect for all human beings, as I said earlier, it doesn't matter, what age, what sex, what colour, what religion. Every human being is important, and every human being deserves to be treated with respect at all times. But obviously we are most keenly interested in that happening within our school. No one should come to school with the fear of something being said to them that's inappropriate or insulting, and we really are taking any of those issues very seriously. And respect for earth, respect for our environment. And that again, I always come back to litter in our school, but that's where it starts. We are the generation that has to look after our planet right now, and we can start by recycling, by doing our own bit, but also in our homes, but also in our school as well. And all of that adds up to respect in all its guises, and it's one of our core values here at Ellon Academy. Just to finish, this week's quote is, "You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think." And lots of us have different types of intelligences and different ways to demonstrate our skills and our abilities. But really, I'm thinking specifically about our seniors who are still in the middle of the assessment block. And you really continue to persevere, to believe in yourselves and believe in what you can achieve just now, and just stay strong, because this won't last forever. So have a good learning week, everyone. Until next week. Thank you.